Hi, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with Ztrix, and today we're looking at the analysis on the precious metal gold. And first, we'll be talking about fundamental analysis, and then we move right down to technicals, which is going to be purely what we'll be seeing on the chart. Now, we can say today that gold futures and foreign stocks by the Federal Reserve will likely cut interest rates in September, leading to questions as to whether the Central Reserve has been captured by the White House. The dollar fell broadly after Jerome Powell whipped through an interest rate reduction during a speech at a conference in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, and despite upside risk to inflation, Powell said that the balance of risk appears to be shifting away from inflation towards unemployment, and this means that he sees the case for cutting interest rates to underpin jobs, even if inflation is not where it would ideally be. Now, the concession of on a September cut sees stocks and rise while bond yields and the dollar fell. We are expecting the pound to dollar exchange rate, which is 0.75% higher on the day at 1.3514, and been as low as 1.3390 earlier in the day. So Powell has also noticed that although labor markets remain in balance, it's a curious kind that results from a match slowing in both the supply of and demand for workers. We have a limitation at hand. Now, technically, we have been witnessing a dying of the upside, marked out at $3,400 per ounce. So we are going to mark out this price point and inform traders that this is a very, very important resistance zone. And hence, we're expecting a real retracement and flush down. And the next point would be a very important support at this point, and breakthrough to 3,372. First, already we have the first TP, and the second TP will be at 3,348, where we have the second TP. And of course, hopefully a third TP is going to be at the $3,324 per ounce. So if you are to make an entry at this point and let your trade run down to this point, where I'd expect nothing less than 50 to 150 or about, of course, which is good money. And that's our technical analysis on today's precious metal gold. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.